Marketing your business on Twitter is an excellent way to engage your target audience, increase brand awareness, and boost conversions. But how do you ensure you're posting content your audience wants to consume? In this video, we will go over 11 proven Twitter marketing strategy tips to grow in 2022. Everyone here at RafflePress loves having you part of the community, so please subscribe, hit the like button, and the bell to be notified of future videos. Number one is to run a Twitter giveaway contest. The fastest way to boost your Twitter followers and engagement instantly is to give your audience something they want. Running a giveaway is a great way to do that because it requires little effort or cost on your part and can yield remarkable results. All you need to do is offer something for free in exchange for likes, retweets, and follows from people who want to win. There's also a super easy way to run viral Twitter giveaways right from your website. You can use the best WordPress giveaway plugin, RafflePress. RafflePress handles all the technical aspects of your Twitter giveaway, including duration, rules, design, verification, and as a result, you can run giveaways with zero hassle. More importantly, you won't need to write a single line of code to make your giveaway look fantastic. Instead, RafflePress is a drag and drop builder that even non-techie people can use easily. Using the builder, you can have your giveaway up and running with just a few clicks. First, you can choose a giveaway template, and yes, there's one just for Twitter. You can decide how people should enter, such as following you on Twitter, post on Twitter, etc. You can create rules with the giveaway rules generator, and you can publish your giveaway widget or landing page. You won't need to worry about fake entries either. RafflePress automatically filters fraudulent entries to ensure your contests are fair. You can even reward people who share and refer your giveaway to go viral on Twitter. So create targeted Twitter giveaways and watch your followers, engagement, and brand awareness increase. Number two is to create a Twitter landing page. Getting your Twitter audience to visit your website is only half the battle. Next, you need to decide how to turn them into qualified leads and ultimately paying customers. In other words, you need a reason for users to interact with your website. Again, you can tackle this hurdle by giving something away for free, but this time we're talking about lead magnets. Lead magnets are free items or services like checklists, swipe files, ebooks, etc. You can give these away in exchange for contact details like a user's email address. After entering their email, users can download or access your content immediately. The easiest way to encourage visitors to sign up for your lead magnet is to create a landing page. Landing pages center around a single goal, like getting users to enter their email. There are many ways to create landing pages for your website, but we suggest using SeedProd, the best WordPress page builder plugin, to create yours. SeedProd includes everything you need to build high converting landing pages. It comes with 150 plus pre-made landing pages and WordPress theme templates you can customize easily. You also won't need any coding knowledge to use this plugin. SeedProd's drag and drop visual editor is easy to use even if you're a beginner, allowing you to create any type of landing page or WordPress theme with a few clicks. Moreover, this plugin has powerful built-in lead generation features such as contact, login, and sign-up forms, RafflePress giveaway integration, Twitter follow buttons and post embeds, social media sharing buttons, WooCommerce support, email marketing integration, and live mobile previews, and many more features to make your landing page a success. So build a Twitter landing page that converts to turn your Twitter audience into qualified leads easily. Number three is to embed Twitter feeds on your site. Another effective Twitter marketing strategy is posting your Twitter feeds on your website. This tactic is a great way to boost your engagement while showing all of your Twitter content right on your website. From there, visitors can see your Twitter posts and follow your account without leaving. An easy way to embed Twitter feeds on your site is with Smashballoon's custom Twitter Feeds Pro plugin. This plugin lets you publish your Twitter timeline and even show posts from different Twitter hashtags. You can also create feeds for different Twitter handles, mentions, lists, and advanced search results. Your feed automatically updates your website every time you post a new tweet, meaning you won't need to add tweets manually. The plugin is also lightweight and won't slow your website down, offering a smooth user experience. More importantly, you can create beautiful layouts with the plugin's customization options without worrying about code. Number four is to use pop-ups to promote your Twitter profile. Creating a Twitter pop-up on your website is another Twitter marketing tip that will help you increase your Twitter engagement and followers. Pop-ups are an excellent way to immediately grab visitors' attention and convince them to perform specific actions. For example, you can use pop-ups to ask website visitors to follow you or recommend Twitter content you think users will like. One of the best tools to help with that is Opt-in Monster, the best conversion optimization toolkit and pop-up builder. With Opt-in Monster, you can create Twitter pop-ups without any coding. Just use its drag and drop builder to create pop-ups visually and in real time, or select one of the professionally designed templates to get started right away. Additionally, this tool allows you to track your pop-ups performance. As a result, you can see how effectively your pop-ups are working. Number five, optimize your Twitter profile. If you want people to know that your Twitter profile is yours automatically, you need to optimize it with customized content that your audience will recognize. There are several areas of your Twitter profile you can optimize to ensure users don't forget about you. First up is your handle. This is your username, like @RafflePress, for example. Ideally, your handle should be your company name, so it's easy to search for and find on Twitter. Second is your header. Your header is your Twitter's profile background image. You can display a unique image related to your brand or a variation of your company logo and tagline in this area. Next is your profile picture. Your Twitter profile picture is what users will see whenever you interact on Twitter. This image sits above your Twitter bio and can be your company's logo, initials, or even a picture of your CEO. Next is your bio. A Twitter bio includes a summary of what your brand is. Because it has a 160 character limit, you'll need to keep this summary short, engaging, and include all the important details about what your company does. You'll also want to include your website URL and your birthday. And the birthday, you might be wondering what it's used for. In the same place as your URL, you can enter the day your company was founded. This allows your audience to learn about your business on a more personal level. Number 6 is to clean up your Twitter account. When you optimize your Twitter profile, it's also a good idea to clean up any content you don't want your audience to see. Some Twitter accounts are pretty old and may have employed Twitter marketing strategies that didn't work well in the past. That can lead to broken links to blog posts that no longer exist, tweets that are no longer relevant to your audience, embarrassing content that your account is tagged in, Twitter lists that don't apply to your content strategy, or people you follow who are no longer active. It might sound like a lot of work, but weeding out irrelevant content from your Twitter account can make a massive difference to your brand's reputation. Number 7 is to tweet at the right time. Compared to other social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube, Twitter moves much faster. As a result, you'll need to post regularly to keep your brand top of mind. The most popular brands already tweet regularly, so you might get left behind if you don't tweet as often as your competitors. Research shows that you should post at least 6 times a day for active Twitter engagement. If your Twitter marketing strategy centers on consumers, you should tweet between 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays. But if your strategy focuses on other businesses, the critical time for you to tweet is between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Mondays and Thursdays. Number 8 is to use the right Twitter hashtags. Tweets with hashtags tend to achieve 2 times as much engagement as those without. With that in mind, including hashtags in your Twitter marketing strategy is an excellent way to broaden your search. That said, there are a few guidelines you should consider to ensure your tweets reach the maximum number of people. Use hashtags unique to your business so your followers can find you more easily. You also want to create hashtags tailored to specific campaigns to make them more memorable, such as a tailored giveaway hashtag. You also want to use Twitter analytics to find which hashtags perform the best and use them in future campaigns. You also want to avoid overusing hashtags. Too many can look spammy, so stick to 1 or 2 hashtags to ensure the best engagement. Number 9 is to post more visual content. Try to use images and videos as part of your Twitter marketing strategy. Research shows that tweets with images outperform text-based tweets, while videos get 6 times more engagement than tweets without them. Videos and images provide an eye-catching and engaging aspect to your content that can make more people pause as they scroll their feeds. Moreover, you can use visual content to promote products relevant to your audience and user-generated content to increase your brand's authenticity. Number 10 is to create interesting Twitter lists. Anyone can create or view Twitter lists. They're an organized group of accounts you select and put in different categories. For example, you could create a list of marketing experts, top content creators, and more. When you open a Twitter list, you'll only see tweets from accounts on it, making it ideal if you only want to follow specific accounts. For instance, you could create lists for inspiration, your target audience, and your competitors. That way you can see posts and interactions easily without them getting lost in the Twitter feed. Number 11 is to leverage Twitter advertising. Advertising on Twitter is an effective way to reach your target audience. Twitter ads make your tweets easier to find by thousands of people who use the platform. As a result, it helps you increase your influence and following on Twitter. There are 2 types of Twitter ads you can run: promoted tweets and Twitter ads. Promoted tweets make your tweets appear in the Twitter stream or the search results of particular users. You can use this strategy to send more people to a specific web page. It works by putting your promoted tweets in a daily campaign that targets a specific audience. Everyone can engage with a promoted tweet, and you'll pay a monthly fee for as long as you promote the tweet. On the other hand, Twitter ads is a better solution if you use different types of tweets to achieve a single business goal. For example, if you want to grow your Twitter followers or brand awareness through the platform, you can choose from different objectives, including app installations, video views, or website conversions. Additionally, you can set audience targeting for your campaign. However, this decision will impact the total cost of your campaign. Now that you know about 11 proven Twitter marketing strategy tips to grow in 2022, maybe you'd like to check out this video on 11 top Instagram marketing tools for more likes and followers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.